This is how my 2020 ended.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just like everyone, we spent our New Year's in quarantine. I had no idea what to expect in the upcoming year, but I made a secret resolution to myself, which I accomplished pretty early in the year. And this is how my 2021 began. I literally just got off the phone with my boss. I just quit my day job. In January of 2021, I decided to quit my job to focus on me full time. That's it. Said my last goodbyes. It's the end of one chapter. It's the beginning of a new one. When I say me, I really mean my passions and dreams, my business, my family, and just life beyond the boundaries of a 9 to 5. And I certainly did focus on me. First things first, after quitting, I went all in my coaching business. I launched my new website, I built a Agustin app, I made television appearances.
Justin Agustin is making his mark on TikTok.
Welcome on the show, Justin.
Got that blue check mark, and I grew my TikTok following to over 1 million and 500,000 on Instagram. 1 million followers. Which are all great, but what's most important to me is that I was able to build a community of amazing people working hard at becoming the best version of themselves. Now you'd think that I'd be obsessed with work 24/7, but I was more free than I've ever been. Here's what I did. I pretty much climbed every single mountain within a 200-mile radius of my home. Surprisingly, there are quite a few. I hope you're not scared of heights because I went on road trips with Kathleen and Layla. We had a lot of fun family times outdoors. I got to catch up with my whole family. It was nice to see everyone in person after a whole year of lockdown. We shared a lot of great moments and a lot of laughs. I hung out a lot with my sister. We haven't chilled like this much since pretty much when I lived at home. I felt like we were kids again. Focusing on me and my happiness this year opened a lot of doors that were pretty much shut because of fear and complacency. I felt closer to my dreams than ever. I felt so free, not just with my time, but everything that I created, everything that I put out into the world. I felt that it was finally coming from the heart. Who knew that in some cases quitting is the best way to start? If I can give you any advice for 2022, take that leap. Go all in on yourself. You never know, it could be your best year yet.